This is lecture 4 of class 10 on the topic image formation by concave mirror in different positions. Students, to start I have told you that how the ray diagram forms by the concave mirrors. I have told yesterday that the ray which incident parallel to principal axis after reflection it passes through focus, and the ray which passes through focus after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. Here are different positions. I am telling you, this is position number 1. When the object is at infinity means this is concave mirror and object is very much far from the mirror, then what happens? As by principle, one ray will move from its head and incident of parallel to principal axis here, and after reflection it passes through focus. Similarly, second ray will incident from this place parallel to principal axis, and after reflection it passes through focus. Both rays are intersecting at focus, therefore this image will be formed. Here it will form, that will be diminished, inverted and very short. Length of image will be short and diminished, and inverted image will form. This is position. Second position is when the object is beyond curvature, center of curvature. See, center of curvature, and the object is here. So one ray will incident on concave mirror parallel to principal axis, and after reflection it passes through focus, and second ray will also emerge from here and passes through center of curvature. You know, after the image, the ray which incident obliquely on the surface of the mirror, that is reflected in same path in same direction. It will reflect in same path and same direction. Both rays are intersecting at point this. Therefore, this will be image of this object AB. The image will be diminished and inverted. When the object is beyond center of curvature, the image will fall between center of curvature and focus. Image will be inverted, diminished. And when the object is at infinity, the image will form at focus. This will be diminished to inverted. And third position is when the object is at center of curvature. As by rule, one ray will pass parallel to principal axis, and after reflection it will pass through focus, and second ray will go through focus, and after reflection it becomes parallel to principal axis. These both reflected ray intersect at this point, therefore this will be image. So the image will form in this condition at the point of center of curvature, inverted. This image will be inverted, and size of image and size of object will be same. Fourth position is when object is kept between center of curvature and focus. AB image object, one ray passes through principal axis, parallel to principal axis, and after reflection it passes through focus. Second ray incident obliquely on the concave mirror and reflected in the same direction, same path, like this. The both rays intersect at this point. So you are seeing that the size of image is large than size of object, and this is inverted. Then in this condition, when the object is between center of curvature and focus, image will fall beyond curvature, center of curvature. It will be reverted, enlarged, and real. Here, this is fourth position, fifth position. In this position, the object is kept at the focal point. To one ray incidence parallel to principal axis, and after reflection, it passes through focus like this. And second ray incident obliquely on surface of concave mirror, and after reflection, it come back in same direction, same path. You are seeing here, if you forward these rays, they will not intersect. They are because both are parallel. So we expect that the image will fall at infinity. And this image will be virtual. We cannot see to this image. This is sixth position. When the object is kept between pole and focus point, AB is kept between focus and pole. One ray incident obliquely on surface of concave mirror and come back in same direction. Second, also obliquely incidents on pole, and after reflection come back like this, reflected. If you forward in this direction these rays, they will diverge. ये फैलती जाएंगी. They will not intersect each other. If we forward in forward direction, then in that direction, this image will fall at this point. We are saying this when the object is kept between pole and focal point, then image will be erected, and this will be virtual image, and size of it will be large than size of object. These are six conditions which you have learned very carefully, and this will be asked in your examination. That object is kept at this point, then where will be its image? I have told you six position. In first position, when the object is at infinity, then the image forward focus point, this will be diminished, inverted. Second position is when the object is beyond center of curvature, its image fall between center of curvature and focal point. This will be inverted and short. When the object is at center of curvature, then image will be inverted, and size of image and size of object will be same. Fourth position is when the object is between center of curvature and focal point, then its image falls beyond center of curvature. Image will be large, inverted, and real. In fifth position, when the object is at focus point, then the image will form at infinity. This will be virtual. And last is when the object is between focus point and pole, this image will form. That will be virtual, erect, and large than object. Tomorrow I will tell you about the image formation of convex mirror. I hope you will see this video and understand. If any problem you have, you write in comment box. I will reply you, I hope your best future. Thank you.